Hello everybody. So I wanted to take a few moments to talk about Paparazzi Accessories and the paparazzi opportunity. Before I get started, do me a favor and go ahead and click on that share button. Share this video and invite a friend or someone you think who needs to earn an additional income stream, someone who needs to start a home business, someone who needs a tax deduction. Hello. So thank you all for joining. Come on in. Let me talk to you for a few minutes to talk about this wonderful opportunity called Paparazzi Accessories. Hello. So tag a hairstylist, tag a business owner, tag a stay-at-home mom, tag someone who needs to earn the money from home. Go ahead and just tag them real quick. I'm not going to be on here long. I just want to share a little bit about my story and my journey and how I found Paparazzi and a little bit about the company. So I'm going to go ahead and get started because this video is going to be posted up for the replay. So you can go ahead. Hello. If you're a consultant, feel free to share this video with your potentials. Hello. So I started Paparazzi Accessories in November of 2017. A family member of mine asked me to join, and of course I told her no. Hello. I told her no several times because at the time I was involved in another business venture, right? I was starting another company, and after she asked me a few times, I said, you know what, why not? I'll go ahead and give it a shot. However, I did not know really what I was getting into all the way. I have always been an entrepreneur since I was a young girl. I've always been into different ventures. However, I have never experienced the success that I have in paparazzi. So fast forward, it's November 2017, so where we at? A year and some months later, I have a amazing team of men and women, of about 340 men and women. I go live, I sell jewelry, I make thousands of dollars per month. It's so much more than jewelry. We have fun. I get to make amazing connections. We get to go on trips. So just a little bit about Paparazzi and how it works. We sell jewelry, we sell accessories, we sell earrings, necklaces, bracelets, everything that we sell for $5. And we also have a collection called the Z collection that we sell for $25. So when you become a paparazzi consultant, we buy all of our jewelry for $2.75, which gives you an immediate 45% commission, right? Which is amazing. Our commission plans are some of the highest in the direct sales industry. Okay, so and we have our Z collection that we sell for $25, and we buy it as a consultant for $16.25. Okay, so in paparazzi, okay, you may have seen a lot of us go live. It's a cash and carry business. We sell our jewelry however we want. We go live, we vend, we do house parties. There are pretty much no limitations on how you can sell your jewelry. The jewelry is amazing. So let me just tell you the 3 ways that we make money in paparazzi. Okay, we make money through cash and carry. We buy our jewelry for wholesale and we sell it for retail. So that's an immediate 45% commission. Like I said, I carry my jewelry with me everywhere I go in my jewelry bag. Okay, the second way we make money is from our website. When you join Paparazzi, you get a free website, free 99. There are no monthly maintenance fees. Paparazzi takes care of everything for you. They upload the pictures, which I think is great. They take everything down. If a customer goes on your website and buys anything from your website, you still earn the exact same 45% commission as you would have if you sold that piece in person. Okay, so they take care of the customer service for you. They do everything for you, and on the 20th of the following month, you get a commission check, right? So that is super cool. Once you join our team, we'll teach you how to personalize your website and make it your own. And the third way we make money is through team building, So as you get comfortable in the business and you get, start making money and you start going live and people start seeing you, people are going to be curious. That's how my team grew. They're going to be curious and they're going to be watching you make money on live, and they're going to be super excited that they can have the chance to earn money from home. And they're going to want to join your team. So anyone who joins your team, you make an additional 5 to 10% off of everything that they buy through their website also. So those are the 3 different ways that we make money in Paparazzi, which is absolutely amazing. So if you have been watching us and you've been thinking about joining us, I'm sorry, look, I have my little notes right here. I invite you to take a moment and have a conversation with me or any one of my consultants on our team. Listen, Paparazzi rewards us with trips, incentives. I have gotten Christmas gifts, birthday flowers for my birthday. They send you jewelry on your birthday. They take great care of their consultants. They recognize us. You can be your own boss. So I know it's tax time. And either you are upset that you have to pay Uncle Sam back and you're saying to yourself, listen, I need to find a tax break. Well, Paparazzi can possibly be the tax break that you're looking for. So if you have extra money, you should think about investing into a home business because it's a great opportunity. I'm sorry, guys. Also, we have unlimited earnings. There are no caps on how much money we can earn. The possibilities are endless. It's up to you. You can work your business on your own hours, how you want to work it. Like I'm home now. I work a full-time job. I come home. I play in my jewelry. I cut my camera on. I make sales. So how you want to work this business is totally up to you. There are people in our industry who have retired in less than 2 years who make $40,000 and $50,000 a month off this jewelry business. So if you're like me, you may be thinking there's no way in the world you can make money selling $5 jewelry. I thought this exact same thing, and it's totally not true. The other thing I thought when I heard $5 jewelry is I thought cheap. I thought dollar store. I thought chinky. I wasn't impressed by the jewelry that I looked at on the website, but I did not know that new jewelry comes out Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday, we get new inventory. So there's always something fresh. There's always something new. Also, all of our jewelry is lead and nickel free, okay, which is huge. A lot of people have lead or nickel allergies. So that is amazing. So I do want to take a few moments. I want to show a few pieces of jewelry because I talk to people on the phone, and a lot of times they're just curious because they've never seen the jewelry before. So these are a few of our newer collections. Again, new jewelry comes out Monday through Friday. So what you're seeing now may not be available when you join. But this is a beautiful coral and pink piece. Super cute. Again, if you are a consultant, you get to buy these beautiful pieces for $2.75. I tell my customers, if they're buying a lot of jewelry from me all the time, I say, listen, you're about to spend $100 on jewelry from me, paying $5 a piece. You can become a consultant and get pieces at wholesale. So this is another beautiful piece. That's silver, super cute. All of the necklaces come with matching earrings, okay? So those are the earrings. These are some other earrings that just came out, another new release. Super cute post earrings. So this is just a small idea of the jewelry that we have. We have a huge selection, chunky, thin pieces. We have children jewelry, all kinds of pieces. This piece, look at that. Really, really beautiful. I love this. This is one of our exclusive pieces that came out in silver, okay? It comes out in different colors, okay? So Again, we have new inventory that comes out Monday through Friday. We have no catalogs at all. Paparazzi is a stable company. Paparazzi has been a direct sales company since January of 2011. So they have been around for actually still considered a baby if you think about other direct sales companies. There are currently less than 300,000 consultants in Paparazzi. So if you have been thinking about it, I will highly urge you to jump on board while you can. Listen, you do not have to be a salesperson. The jewelry sells itself. You just have to be willing to buy jewelry and sell jewelry. You know, we have stores. We have jewelry stores, so we can serve a variety of different people. You know, some people have stores in malls. They have mobile stores. Some people do online parties every week and make thousands of dollars from their home. So this is an excellent opportunity. I wish I can just, let you all feel the joy and the love that I have for this business. Again, it's so much more than jewelry. So if another consultant has been talking to you about Paparazzi, I invite you to have a conversation with them. Ask them some questions. I do want to make a disclaimer. You know, I had a conversation with somebody tonight. All Paparazzi teams are not created equal. You know, I can't speak for anyone else's team, but my team, we boss up. We take our business very seriously. This is not a hobby for us. A lot of us plan on retiring from Paparazzi. So this is not like a little kiddie game for us. This is a real business that we take very, very seriously. So if you are ready to become a real boss, if you are ready to become a CEO, click on my link or click on any of my team members' links, and we would love to have you on board. So let me see if I have any questions. Hey. If you have any questions, I don't see any questions. So feel free to message us. Hello. I just want to jump on here really quickly. So again, if you are working a part-time job or you're thinking about getting one, think about Paparazzi. Our sisterhood is amazing. We also have men on our team, men and women. So all are welcome to come on board and come join this movement. Next year, this time, you're going to wish you would have joined today. Okay, so I appreciate you taking the time to hear me. Expect wonderful things to happen to you. I look forward to seeing your face come across our team pages in the near future. Have a good night. Take care.